welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a little bit of fleet maintenance. We're taking one of our trailers over to Tarp to switch it with a trailer we have there that was getting some maintenance done to it. So in this video you'll see us just doing a bunch of like maintenance work, like switching chains and binders over and making sure everything's good to go. So stay tuned while we head to Tarp.
What you think? New trailer?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. New door up front and back panel. I think that's what we got done, right?
You see the bottom? We got to put on that bottom stainless piece right on the bulkhead.
Yeah, in the front. Yeah, we got to get that up.
We also got to get the lights up on the front corners too, because we got to have those be legal.
Yeah. And then there's the old bulkhead for the old side kit.
Is it still in the trailer? They left it in there? Yeah, it's true. Oh yeah, we bought light rails that go across the whole thing. This old setup used to be on a Reitnouer Bubba, and they were having a hard time modifying to put them on the East, but we'll see if we can maybe conjure up something to get them on there.
Yeah, Bubba. Let's put them on.
We got a few Bubbas, so maybe we can throw them on there. We gotta get the chains and binders thrown in this trailer from the old one, and we'll be back in business.
They just crawled up in the trailer, and then here's the old bulkhead. You can see it has East, obviously written on it. It's the East bulkhead. So we're gonna have to take this out of here. And those are the light rails back there in that front panel. This looks pretty bent up, actually. But
if anybody wants this East bulkhead, let us know. We'd hook you up with a great deal for it.
yeah, we don't have the use for it anymore, obviously, because we got the
Big Conestogas.
But yeah, if any of you guys want this or know of anyone that needs it, you know, obviously we got it. So just shoot us an email. Our email's in the description, and then we'll work something out.
But also back here, like we were saying, you need the light, all the fancy light bars.
Yeah, so this is actually the piece we got to put on the front. It's pretty bent up.
We'll probably just go get a new one cut.
You probably could just make it, honestly, out of the one.
But then here are all the light panels with all the fancy LEDs.
Yeah.
This was on a Reitnouer Big Bubba, and now we got the system on an East, so they were having an issue fitting it. But we could definitely use those for our Reitnowers.
Yeah, we
put
could
them on
definitely
there.
throw those on. Probably the Reitnauer we took here or one of the other ones. So.
Yeah. Let's go ahead. We got to get all these chains and binders switched around and get this trailer ready to go.
You're gonna open it all the way or it's gonna close itself.
You want to do it, Al? Push, old man. Struggling?
It's not gonna go back.
No?
You want to push it more? I'll do it. Push it all the way up. There you go. Now it's stay.
As you can see, why this one is in for maintenance.
Obviously.
Alright guys, we got everything transferred over. We got the bulkhead and everything that was on this trailer that we didn't need on that one and back to the pickup. And then we got all the wood and chains and bindings and everything over here. So it's pretty much ready to go.
We noticed that bulkhead, yeah, that thing needs some paint.
We're gonna use that bed liner probably to paint it. We gotta chip all the rust off, make sure it's all clean, solid surface before we paint it. Well, we gotta do that. We'll clean it up and then also preserve it. So
sounds like a Saturday project to me.
yeah, probably next weekend we'll probably do that. So
all right, well, let's get this one wrapped back up. I think they're pulling this one back right now so we can get the heck out of here. Oh yeah, this is all getting on video.
why are you filming this part?
Because this is the funny part, man. All right, guys, so it is later in the evening here. It's starting to come down. It's like a weird rainy, hail, snow, who knows in Ohio. But we came up here just to do a once-over in the trailer before it goes on the road tomorrow morning. And we couldn't be happier with how this Conestoga system looks. Actually, we used the tool Facebook Marketplace to find this system. We were just on there one day, and I think my dad was out of town and sends me a message. Says, hey, check this system out. We had this trailer previously sitting in the lot, and we were just looking for a Conestoga unit. And these things are so expensive, new, but luckily we were able to find one secondhand, so we saved a ton of money doing it. And luckily the guy actually installed it for us. So we just took it to Tarpco just to have them do a once through on it and make sure everything was right on it. But this thing is awesome. We couldn't be happier. And I know when they were checking everything out a little earlier in the evening, they saw some stuff that they wanted to do to it. You know, we were up in the trailer, really got a good look at it after everything was greased and fitted in right. So
yeah, so like earlier E and I were talking about how that bulkhead was blue and rusty and stuff. So
yeah,
we're gonna come back and paint that. We're also gonna do all LED lights around it.
We'll get the nice stainless like drop pieces,
yeah,
because we couldn't use those drop panels that came with this trailer.
Yeah, which sucks. But
I know. Then also in the back, I think we're going to light it up with LED lights, and we might do some kind of custom thing in the back side of the trailer as well. Maybe drop this thing down, this T-bar back here, and make it just look good. Because all the Reitnouers have those nice drop panels that come down like that corrugated, cleat diamond look to it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This one doesn't have anything like that. So we're throwing around a few ideas of what we could do to this trailer to really, tie it in and make it look nice.
Yeah, but this is our spare trailer for right now until we get another driver. And this will be his trailer, but for right now it's just a spare one. That's why we're kind of switching them out while the other one's getting work done on it.
Playing like a little game, switching out a trailer here and there every once in a while, just to bring them in. These winters are horrible up here, and last thing we want is one of these tarp systems not working in the middle of a snowstorm when a driver's out, either trying to pick up a load or drop off a load. But guys, also go check out our Instagram that we just opened. We've got a ton of projects going on, and actually, we just bought another project truck. It's an International day cab similar to this International right here. A little bit newer, 2008 model. But it's gonna need some work. We noticed there's a crack in the hood. So if anybody knows of a hood for, I think it's an International 8400 is the model, let us know, because we're in the market for one. So if you find one reasonable, like we found this tarping system on Facebook Marketplace, shoot us the link and we'd love to go get one, because we need one. Yeah. And if we had to repair it, it's gonna be a lot of work. It'd just be easier just to start fresh with a new hood. But we also have another project, well really two projects going on. We still have the 90 flat top. We got people asking us all the time, what's going on with that truck? Go check out the Instagram as well, because we just had the dash painted. And I think we figured out we're gonna do a color combo of, well, really 3 colors. We're gonna do a burgundy, we're gonna do a creamy white, and then maybe like a gold pinstriping in that truck. So that one right now is torn to pieces. We've got the dash all out of it, but we'll shoot up some pictures on the Instagram, and I think there's a picture already on there of that dash painted.
Yeah.
And then also we've got one of our other trucks right now, the 94 Peterbilt in the shop, getting a complete motor rebuild. That one's got the 12.7 60 series Detroit, and our mechanics got it completely torn down to the block and, you know, pulled the pistons out, which that tool that we had to buy to be able to pull those liners out was stupid expensive. But you know what? We needed it. And we're gonna be doing a lot more motor rebuilds with these trucks. So it's coming along great, guys. Everything's kind of falling into place. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna have a lot more projects and a lot more videos coming. But
King of projects here, so.
Yeah, we got a lot of freaking projects. But we want to thank everybody on the channel for their support and what they've contributed to this. We love reading through all the comments, and we love hearing what all you guys have to say. So guys, until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.